India's nuclear submarine program is gaining momentum to counter the Chinese Navy, already the world's largest. By 2036, India is expected to have its first indigenous nuclear attack submarine. Additionally, Project INS Varsha, a dedicated base for nuclear submarines, is set to become operational within the next 2 years. India's Navy Chief, Admiral Dinesh Tripathi, has confirmed that the country's first indigenous nuclear attack submarine is expected to be ready by 2036, with the second following within 2 years. This marks the first official statement regarding the nuclear attack submarine program, SSNs. The project, covering the first 2 submarines, is estimated to cost 35,000 crore rupees, $4.5 billion. INS Varsha, India's dedicated nuclear submarine base, is expected to become operational within 2 years. This facility will serve as a hub for the Indian Navy's current and future submarines. Developing nuclear attack submarines and the base will significantly bolster the Navy's strategic capabilities in the Indian Ocean region, IOR, and the South China Sea.